Hello guys. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the interface of CapCut. And if you're opening CapCut for the first time and feeling confused, too many buttons, too many panels, no idea where to start, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly where everything is. And most importantly, you won't feel overwhelmed anymore. Now listen, it's completely normal to feel confused at the beginning. Every video editing app looks complicated at first, but the good part is, you don't need to learn everything right now. Just a few basics, and you're already ahead of most beginners. So first thing, when you open CapCut, look over here. You'll see an import button. Click on that. Now just pick any video or image from your computer and click open. That's it. Now your file will appear in this section. This area is called your media library. This is where all your videos, images, and audio stay. Now, if you click on your video, you'll see it play in the preview screen. So, this is just for watching your clip. Nothing is edited yet. Now, here's the important part. Nothing actually becomes part of your video until you move it to the timeline. So, grab your clip, drag it down here, and drop it. Now, it's in your timeline. Think of this timeline like your story, from left to right. This is what your final video will look like. So whatever you place here, that's what people will see. Now press spacebar, and your video will play, just like YouTube. Simple. Now here's how editing actually works. You select your clip in the timeline, then you go to the top right panel, and change things from there. For example, you see this scale option? Drag it, and your video becomes bigger. Now don't overthink all of this. Just remember one simple idea, and everything will start making sense. Down here in the timeline, this is what people will see in your final video. And up here on the right side, this is where you control how it looks. So first you choose what you want to show. Then you decide how you want to show it. Once this clicks in your mind, editing becomes a lot easier. Now from here, you can start doing a lot of things. You can cut your clips, make them shorter or longer, change the speed, add music in the background, drop in images, or even combine multiple videos together. And the best part is, all of this happens right here in the timeline. So once you're comfortable with this area, you can pretty much create any video you want. So don't feel overwhelmed. You don't need to learn everything today. Just understand these basics, and you're already ready to start editing. If this helped you, subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. And tell me in the comments what you want to learn next. I'll see you in the next video. Thumbs up.